Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a crochet brown baby shoes. Crochet brown shoes are a stylish and cozy accessory for any wardrobe. Handcrafted with care, these shoes showcase the artistry of crochet. The warm, earthy tones of brown add a touch of sophistication to the design. Perfect for casual outings or even dressing up a laid back look. The intricate crochet patterns make these shoes unique and eye catching. Comfort meets style in these versatile brown crochet shoes. Explore the world of handmade fashion with these charming creations. Ideal for those who appreciate the beauty of artisanal working with yarn and hooks. These shoes make for an excellent gift for friends or family. Discover the joy of creating your own footwear with a personal touch. The neutral brown color allows for easy pairing with various outfits. Share your passion for crochet by showcasing your handmade brown shoes. Capture the attention of onlookers with these charming and unique footwear. Dive into the world of crochet fashion and express your individuality. Versatile enough to be worn in different seasons, adding flair to your style. These shoes are a testament to the beauty of handmade fashion accessories. Perfect for those who want to stand out with their distinct sense of style. Embrace the comfort of these soft, handmade brown crochet shoes. Elevate your fashion game with this delightful and practical accessory. Showcase your creativity on a daily basis with these crochet wonders. Pair them with jeans, dresses, or skirts. Thanks for watching this video.